Hi, I'm Nur Shafika binti Roslan. My metric number is 14DGU 21F 2002.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisha binti Muhammad Fauzi and my metric number is 14DGU 21F 2004.
Hi, my name is Umi Maizatul Izzati binti Muhammad Azman. My metric number 2001.
Hi, my name is Nurul Alisha binti Jainuddin. My metric number is F 2025. Our topic for presentation 2 is angle between two vector and area of parallelogram. Next is introduction. A quantity possessing both magnitude and direction represented by an arrow, the direction of the quantity and the length of which is proportional to the magnitude. We can represent vectors in our game to determine how to move entities in relation to each other.
Problem that show how to find the angle between two vectors. This can be expressed in the form cos theta equals to A dot B over AB. There are some tips that you can get from vector and scalar. Okay, first, if I, j and k are unit vector in the direction of the x, y and z axis, then I dot j equals to 0, I dot k equals to 0, j dot k equals to 0, I dot I equals to 1, j dot j equals to 1, k dot k equals to 1. If the coefficients are different, then the value is 0. While if the coefficients are the same, then the value is 1.
Find angle between two vectors A equal 2, 4 and B equal 5, 3. 2, 4, 5, 3 equal 2i plus 4j, 5i plus 3j equal 2i multiply 5i plus 4j multiply 3j equal 10i square plus 12j square equal 10 multiply 1 plus 12 multiply 1 equal 22. A equals square root 2 square plus 4 square equals square root 4 plus 16 equals square root 20 equal 4.47. B equal square root 5 square plus 3 square equal square root 25 plus 9 equal square root 34. Cos theta equal 22 over 4.47 in bracket square root 34. Theta equal shift cos 0.844 and the theta is 32.4 degree.
Hanafi moved from point P to point R to send his son to school with angle vector PR. Then, from point R, Hanafi continues his journey through point Q to go to the work. Find the angle between P and Q.
The answer for question 2 is PQ equal PR plus RQ. 2A plus 3B plus 5A minus 2B. 2A multiply 5A plus 3B multiply negative 2B equal 10A square minus 6B square equal 10 multiply 1 minus 6 multiply 1 equal 4. PR is equal square root 2 square plus 3 square equal square root 13. The answer for PR is 3.61. RQ is square root 5 square plus negative 2 square equals square root 29 equal 4.47. Cos theta is 4 over square root 29 in bracket 3.61. Theta equals shift cos 0.206. Theta equals 78.13 degree. This is a work example problem that shows how to area of parallelogram. This can be expressed in the form modulus A multiply B modulus equal area parallelogram. Modulus A multiply B modulus over 2 equal area triangle.
Find the area given A equal BC multiplied BA. The solution is using specific manipulation IJK. Arrange the following question in a form row. For example, the first row we can insert BC and the second row we can insert BA. Next is we should find the equation by using the method in finding the value of the determinant matrix in equation I. So we can use JK to obtain the equation of the value in the form matrix determinant search method for equation I. The first row is 3, 1 and the second row is 2, 1. As we finish finding the value, we must multiply the value in form of a cross multiplication. In addition, use the same method finding the equation J. So what we need to do is use the column of the value in the form of matrix determinant method for equation J. The first row is 3, 1 and the second row is 2, 1. After finish finding the value, don't forget to multiply that value in a form of cross multiplication. Use the same method finding the equation of K by using the method I described earlier. First row is 3, 2 and the second row is 2, 3. After finding the value, don't forget to multiply the value in the form of cross multiplication. Once the multiplication complete using the cross of multiplication method, we will get I bracket 1 minus J bracket 1 plus K bracket 0 equal I minus J. So A equal BC multiply BA equal square root 1 plus 1 and equal square root 2. The answer is 1.414.
The question gives us A equal 5, 8, 4, B equal 9, negative 2, 4, and C equal 3, 7, negative 6. Using the parallelogram method, the resultant vector can be determined by completing a parallelogram. The resultant vector is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram, of which is the vector from two adjacent sides. For example, AB equal AO plus OB. After that, we use cross product method, which is combination of two vectors to get a vector. And we need to state the 3 rows and 3 columns. And the element of matrix, we can use IJK. So, AB multiply BC equal IJK for negative 10, 0, negative 6, 9, negative 10. After that, if you want to find area of triangle, you must use the formula 1 over 2 modulus vector AB multiply vector BC modulus.
Conclusion from vector and scalar. Physicists, video game designer, meteorologists and air traffic controller all use vector. Vector quantities have a direction and a magnitude. In this chapter, you learn that you can add and subtract vector just as you can number. You saw the vector also have other algebraic properties and essentially create an entirely new algebraic structure. There are two ways the product of vector can be taken, and you studied one way called calculate the angle between two vectors. Lastly, you learn to calculate the area of triangle and parallelogram.